I've developed a mnemonic to help me unfold my wife's Brompton bicycle. The mnemonic is "People have such fun biking," and I'll show you how I use it. This is how the mnemonic works. First, P for the pedal. Second is H for the handlebar. Engage the clamp, put 3 or 4 turns. Next is S for the seat. Next is F for the front wheel. You have to lift the frame up to disengage the wheel, and you bring it around. And keep it turned to the left, and then you rotate toward you to keep the frame closed, and then put 3 or 4 turns on the clamp here. And finally, you grab the bicycle here, and you do the last of the mnemonic, B, the back wheel, and there you are, you're ready to ride. To fold the bike back up, you reverse those steps. First, you pull this lever here, and then lift up the back wheel, like that. That's B. Then you disengage the clamp on the frame to return the front wheel to its position, and lower it down, lock it in. Next, you lock in the back wheel by lowering the seat, S, and then the handlebars go down, the H, and finally you lock home the pedal, the P, and there you are, you're ready to store your bike. So that's the mnemonic. People have such fun biking. I hope this is helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you do, press the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.